Into the stands, coming in with a 10.99. Give it up for Godzilla! Miss Lisa, can you do me a huge favor when I do my countdown? Can you give him an arm drop? Because I don't think you can see me. I appreciate that. Next up, it's Josh Holman in Rescue Racer. I see you gotta go down that way. There's so many on that jump. Yep, just walk down that way, son. What do you need? Thank you, ma'am. Rescue Racer coming in with an 11.2. Fans in the stands, give it up for Rescue Racer. I see the red light is on down there, so next up it's time for Ryan Holman.
They just had one in
It sure sounded mean, and boy, oh boy, is there a lot of smoke. But listen to this, he came in with a 12.37.